And some weather updates now. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for the central state of Rajasthan for isolated very heavy rainfall. The Weather Observatory further predicted isolatory heavy rainfall in other areas, including the western Himalayan region, Uttar Pradesh and eastern India in the next 7 days. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. Delhi NCR is likely to have scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over the week. More than 100 people have been killed in rain-related incidents in Himachal Pradesh. Landslides, flash floods have led to closure of 338 roads, including 4 national highways. The Regional Met Office has issued a yellow alert for heavy rain in isolated parts of the state till Saturday. Well, DD India correspondent Tapas Bhattacharya joins us from New Delhi for more on the weather update. Well, Tapas, good morning. What's been the update from the Met Department? Will the current mayhem continue?
Well, it is expected to stay like that till the end of the week at least, that as far as IMD is concerned. And they believe, in fact, there is a yellow alert for most of the northwest part of the country. And there is a reason behind that. I was talking to the IMD scientists, and they said that currently the monsoon trough is near its original place, and it's actually oscillating most of the time during the day, especially in its trough. And then there is also a cyclonic circulation that is currently over northwest of Rajasthan and neighboring areas extending up to the middle troposphere. So this particular cyclonic circulation is actually the remnant of the deep depression that formed and ended around the 6th of August. But the cyclonic circulation is still there, so the remnant of that particular deep depression is still there, and which is actually, along with the monsoon trough, is creating such a huge problem over northwest part of the country. As I mentioned, most of the areas, Delhi, Rajasthan, East Uttar Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, all these places have been declared, they have declared yellow alert in all these places. In fact, in East Rajasthan, at the weekend, they believe that the rainfall activity is expected to reach its height. So they believe that there is a good chance of rainfall activity picking up at that time. So that is one part of it. Then there is also areas around the southern part of the country where another cyclonic circulation is currently prevailing over Pakistan, over Bangladesh, as well as other places, and where there is also the trough that is going on. There is cyclonic circulation which is over the troposphere. So those areas and along with another cyclonic circulation over southeast Pakistan and adjoining Rajasthan is also leading to a accelerated rainfall activity, not just in the northwest part of the country, but also in the eastern as well as in the southern part of the country. So these are the reason why we are seeing such a heavy rainfall activity here in India.
All right, after yellow alert issued so vastly, any precautions or advisories issued, or what are the preparations being made to avert any untoward incident?
Right, so the advisory has been issued by the IMD and has been given to all the states that are going to be affected by it. They are coming out with almost every day. They are coming out with 3 advisories at least. So the states have been, given a warning much in advance. Now it is up to the states how to go about it and how to take those advices. For instance, in Uttarakhand and places in Himachal Pradesh which are prone to landslides, the administration have been told to keep a check on any sort of idea where if there is even a hint of a landslide, they can stop the tourists blocking those areas.
Right.
This is it's a long weekend and people are flocking to the hilly areas. And same with the southern part of the country, same with the eastern part of the country.
Right.
So authorities are keeping a check on any sort of hint of any untoward incidents, and they will be they will swung in action. They are prepared as far as the IMD's advisory is concerned.
All right, Tapas, thank you so much for all that weather update.